I made this channel to help inspire other people to self-teach Arabic, because it all started when I couldn't afford to pay for Arabic lessons, and I didn't want to wait around until the day I eventually get some money to pay. So I decided to self-teach using the YouTube resources available. Some people say, oh, social media is not good for you, but it's not about that. It's just like a knife. It's how you use it. And some people talk about cutting down on social media, but I actually encourage you to use more and more social media, especially if you're using it for good. I've found so many helpful tutorials. I will use a tutor at some point if you can afford it, especially for speaking, because you need somebody to speak with. So these videos that I make are just to encourage somebody that you can actually help yourself, even if finances don't allow you to hire somebody to teach you. There are many people who put very beneficial content out there. So I've been learning about past tense verbs, and this is what I'm practicing in this video. This can be used for probably most, I won't say all, verbs in Arabic, because there are things that have exceptions from what I've been reading and studying. This word I'm using, dhahaba, means to go. He went. Actually, that brings me to the default Arabic verb means he went. So it's a masculine verb. And then from that one, you start using other tenses. For two males went, so you can see two males went is dhahaba, which is the second one from the top row. So the top row is all male, the second one is female for third person, so it's they. So for this one, I am writing the past tense for the word dhahaba, means he went. This can be used to conjugate a lot of verbs in Arabic. I won't say all of them because there are exceptions, which is a topic for another day, but I will learn that eventually. Here I was pausing because I'm not sure about how to write for two people went. Two males went. So it's you, as in you, two males, when you're speaking to them, went. So I wasn't quite sure how to write that, but I'm writing it, and then I will check if my answers are correct based on the videos that I've been watching. I have made a video before telling you the people I use to study, and these are fantastic resources for me, and hopefully other people can also benefit from them. I have made videos, and I'll also put a link in the description below. This row that I'm writing is for females, and females, you two went, and for the masculine, two people went is the same. I like to use pencil when I'm writing because when I make mistakes, I can easily rub out. I'm not very confident writing in pen yet for most of the words. So I always go for my pencil, which I find very helpful because it's very easy to rub out. This one looks wrong. I'm going to rub it out and correct it from what I think is correct. Yeah, that looks more like it. So dhahaba, that's masculine, he went. Dhahaba is two males went. Dhahabu is a group of males went. Dhahabat is she went, a female, yeah, she went. Dhahabata is two females went. Dhahabna, many females went. And then dhahabta, that's a masculine, you went. Dhahabtuma, two males went. Dhahabtum, you went, a group of males. And dhahabti is female, she went. Dhahabtuma and dhahabtuma for both is the same. Dhahabtuna, that's a group of females, they went. Dhahabtu means I went. Dhahabna means we went. Okay, so now I'm going to check with the video that I was watching, and I've watched before a few times, to see if what I've done is correct. So at this stage, you can see that I have a different word. I have dhahaba, which is also a verb, he went. But in this example, there is darasa, which means he studied. So that just put in my harakat, which is correct. So darasa and dhahaba, okay, that's correct too. I just didn't write my harakat, which I'm adding now. Dhahabu, correct. So the conjugation basics are the same. It's just the ending that differs depending on the word. So darasa, dhahaba, you just compare which are the root letters and then the addition to add to make it past tense. Yeah. So, with me saying all this, it helps me also remember what I'm learning and imprint it in my head. So I like doing these videos for that purpose. There's darasa. Darasta means you went. Darasta means he studied. For me, I use the example of he went. This is Dr. Alawiye. He is the author of Gateway to Arabic books, which are brilliant, and he has brilliant videos. His channel is absolutely fantastic and very helpful. You can learn so much vocabulary there, and is very easily explained. Darastu means I studied. Darasna means we studied. Dhahabtu, I went. Dhahabna, we went. So that's fantastic. So that's Dr. Alawiye. And visit his channel and have a look. There's so much to learn. You can start from book 1, and there are other resources there on his website.